This is an overview of the invoice section in our software. You can get to the invoice module from the navigation hamburger on the left-hand side of the screen, or you can go to the icon in the middle of the screen if it's available there. Clicking on invoice. The invoice is very similar to the purchase order and estimates we saw earlier. So the basic information on the left for about the sublocation and contact. There's one asset that's attached to this invoice. The top right's a summary, who created it, what date it was created, and it came over as a status of order parts, which means it needs to be turned into a purchase order. There's who to bill it to, where to ship it to, the order, the ETA, the shipping date, the invoice. This was created on invoice 4491, and there are no purchase orders with it yet. The total is the cost and price of the item, and then the notes, very similar to the estimates. You click on the work order notes on the right, and it populates the work order notes from the balance system up under the asset section. The bottom section is the parts that are on this invoice. If you look at the bottom part, it has in the bright yellow column, it says requested 1. So that's what made it come over as order parts, because the tech out in the field said we need to order one of these parts. So it comes over as order parts. So you can click new purchase order to create a new purchase order so that it starts the process of ordering that part. If you need to add some more parts, you can hit edit invoice and add some more parts here on the second screen. Click done and go back. The menu, as always, I like to click on the preview button to see what it looks like before I send it out. And the back office gets a list like this that shows that this invoice needs to have parts ordered, and they can click on that and they can create the purchase order and get those parts ordered for your job. If you have any questions about the invoice module, let me know.